Hello everybody, and welcome to Python Made Simple. In this week's video, we'll be looking at Booleans and then comparison operators. For the comparison operators, we'll be looking at how to compare two values or two strings. We'll be looking at the not equal to sign, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, so with the Booleans, there are two Boolean values, true and false. Now, when you compare two values using two equal signs, the Boolean values can be created. So for example, I want to compare 6 to 56. By doing this comparison, using either the equal to sign, the not equal to, greater than or less than, it creates the Boolean values are created. So using the print statement, we want Python to check if 4 is equal to 6, and it's false. 4 is not equal to 6. You can also do this comparison with strings. So typing fun with capital an uppercase F and fun with a lowercase f. Let's see if, it's supposed to be a double about so fun to go to fun, so it's false. Now you can also decide to store these variables, store values under variables, and then compare these variables. It also gives you an output. So let's say 25. Okay, so let's ask Python to check if these two values are equal. And yes, they are not equal. So with the not equal to, it evaluates to true if the items being compared are not equal, and false if they are. So let's say 1 is not equal to 1. So we all know that it's not true, because 1 is actually equal to 1. Then you can try that too with strings. So can try that out too with strings. Yes, 2 with an uppercase T is different from 2 with a lowercase t. Now these comparison operators can also be called relational operators. So we can try that too with our greater than and less than. So, and that's very simple, but as we go on, you see the areas in which these can be applied, and you'll be amazed as how we can use this. Okay, so with that, with the less than, is also quite similar. With the greater than or equal to, it's same format, same procedure, but with the greater than or equal to, let me show you something. So let's say 12 is less than or equal to 25. True. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. I'll leave a very tricky question and I'll try questions at the end of this video. So just try your hands on it. And if there are any questions, I'll address them in the comment section. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.